Good day, folks. Today we got the 1978 Comfort-Aire Quietmaster. This video was requested by an anonymous subscriber. He sent me an email saying, "Hey Joe, I saw your video on the Quietmaster in your air conditioner collection, and I would like another video on that. So bud, this video's for you. Hope you enjoy it." Got it in the stall position, getting ready to fire it up. Gonna fire it up in 3, 2, 1. It's up and running. Let's go ahead and take a look at the data plate while it builds head pressure. There's the data plate right there. It's a bit corroded, so it's kind of hard to read it, but 29,000 BTUs per hour is what it's rated for. 18.5 amps. 41 ounces of R22 refrigerant. It's a pretty big unit. 208, 230 volts. Serial number 27806206428. And then it's 28,600 BTUs, I believe, on 208. That's the data plate there. Now, unfortunately, the power cord was kind of busted when I got it, so I went ahead and repaired it for now, but we are going to get a new 30 amp cord for it. Here's a look at the control panel. You can see here, that's the ventilation system, that's the ventilation flap. That's our power control. Got it on low cool. Thermostat set at maximum. Evaporator cooled all the way through. It's got a full charge. Now the only unfortunate part is this thing is a little bit rotted. There was some drain pan rot, which I noticed right at the back there, because it did crack when we were trying to move it. So I did have to make a repair to that and put some sheet metal there to reinforce it. Got a little bit of front corrosion there as well. There is some corrosion on the condenser fan shroud, so there is air leaking through, which is not ideal, especially for a unit that like this that gets right down to business. Now, it did receive a partial cosmetic restoration. Still got a little bit more work to do on it. You have to do a little bit of repaint on the metal there, but that should be pretty easy to take care of. The rest of the unit's fine. Got the heater right there to keep the thermostat warm, so it's a little cool down here today. Now, unfortunately, I don't have an airflow tester on hand, so can't really do an airflow test for you, but this thing is absolutely freezing cold. I cannot keep my hand in there for more than 5 seconds. This thing will freeze you out when you stand in front of it for too long, especially in ideal conditions like this, where it can crank out massive BTUs per hour. This thing's got a 4-row condenser. It's got a 4-row evaporator. It's got a universal electric fan motor. Pretty big. data tag here. This Tecumseh AH152HT031. So this one's a 2.5 horsepower compressor. It's got a General Electric motor inside. Not sure what shift it was made on, but I'm going to say either first or second shift. It's got E0478, which indicates May 4th, 1978. C indicates there's a change in the compressor design. Not sure what the K stands for. Serial number 404192, AH5531E, which is rated for 31,000 BTUs per hour. B230-208, so this is 208, 230 volts on 60 hertz. Block rotor amp 76.0, 200 volts on 50 hertz. Made in the United States of America. Very, very good quality compressor. There's a look at our fan. It's a 6-blade metal blade. Very, very powerful machine. Got plenty of heat coming out the back of the condenser, which is good. Now we are going to get a soundtrack of the mighty AH starting up, so be prepared for that. So we're going to do that in the next video. So I'll let you take a look at the motor information here. So you can pause and read that if you want. I did replace the fan motor capacitor because the original one was bad, so I went ahead and replaced the capacitor. So I wasn't sure if we were going to lose the fan or not, so I went ahead and replaced the capacitor so we don't lose the fan. Compressor capacitor is fine. So if you guys are wondering what the size is of the capacitors are, the fan motor is a 440 volt 7.5 microfarads, which is what it requires, and the compressor is a 370 volt 35 microfarads. So pretty big caps for a pretty big machine. And regarding the weight of this thing, very, very heavy. This thing is over 300 pounds. It's a very heavy unit, but for the weight, it's well worth 300 pounds. This thing blows absolutely freezing cold. There is no doubt about it. Got a little cross formation there. See, our suction line is coming back nice and cold. Very, very, very good performing machine. Compressor nice and cool to the touch, which is good. We're going to do a little stall test here to give you guys a little soundtrack of it in operation here. Over to high cool. Even on high cool, this thing is extremely powerful. Even here you can see we got our original wiring diagram. So you guys can read that if you want. Now, just to give you an idea how big this thing is, I'm going to raise these up a little bit so you can see the size of it compared to the little heater. Look at the size of that thing, guys. It's freaking huge. It's probably about twice as high as the heater, and very, very good performance. Plenty of airflow out the back, so we did give it as best of a cleaning as we could, but it's going to be brought outside again for a really good cleaning. So stay tuned for that. There will be a video how to deep clean one of these things, but it's a very, very good machine. There is no doubt that this thing will last another 30, 40 years. Here we got the GE Super Thrust taking a little slumber until somebody makes a video request for it. I'm going to be quiet so you guys can hear this thing on what sounds like running on high. This is very, very powerful. Now let's go ahead and shut it down. Just going to give you guys a little quick overview here. I acquired this unit back in 2024. Well, originally acquired it back in 2020. I got the weather wheel, which is undergoing restoration right now. Weather wheel, I got that in 2021. And Quietmaster, we just got it in 2024. Quietmaster is a very solid performing machine. If anyone were to say, oh, the vintage units are junk, nope, not on my watch, they're not. The vintage units are some of the best air conditioners ever made. The modern units, they are obviously junk. I am an all-out vintage air conditioner fan. I love collecting them, I love refurbishing them, and I love using them. So hopefully you enjoyed this, but I really hope you enjoyed the video. This one's for you, pal. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Take care. Peace out.